Everyone keep your both legs together and both hands under your hip. Both legs up just on the 60. Good. And just one by one leg up and down. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be slowly and gently. And do not lift the leg on the 90. 90 के ऊपर नहीं जाना आपको. Just your leg should be somewhere on the 60 only. Continuous, continuous. Continuous everyone. धीरे धीरे करते रहिए. Focus on your core strength. कीजिए कीजिए कीजिए. No one will stop. Continuous, continuous, continuous. Just few more seconds. Few more seconds, guys. 1. Let me count again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, come on, come on. No one will stop. 9, 10, 11, 12. Continuous, no one will stop. If someone is feeling little tired, so they can bend legs and then they can be try like this. But continuously, just few more seconds, the last 20 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and then relax, guys. Beautiful. So we did almost 2 minutes. Very good. Bend your legs and hug your knee once again and press your knee to the chest. Good. Lying down with your chest. I will give you that routine for the bow pose, but this time in the bow pose we will go with the movement, the front and the back movement. So that will be continuously for a few seconds. But remember, if someone is having any kind of the stomach pain and that, so they please avoid it. Bend your both legs. Hold your ankle, everyone. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Up and up. हो जाइए शुरू. Just go front and back. धीरे धीरे. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, continuous, 13, 14, lifting the leg, 16, 17, 18, 19, 15, 14, 13, keep going, keep going, keep going, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Have a couple of deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Both palms side of your Here we will change our routine once again. So this time you have to do only sun salutation. Easy one. We will practice simple traditional sun salutation round only 5 times everyone. Easy one. Both palms side of your chest. Inhale. Lift your shoulder. Come in the upward facing dog. Come in the downward facing dog. Exhale. आइए. Left leg in between your arms. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. Look front. Leg back. Plank pose. Inhale. You can do chaturanga or you can do ashtanga namaskar option. Exhale. Inhale. Upward dog. Lift your shoulder. Look up. Downward dog. Exhale. Do with me. Right leg in between arms. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. Look front. Leg front. Inhale. Exhale. Bend down. Inhale. Both arms up. Exhale. Bend back. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Bend down. Second round. Bend your legs. Put your right leg back. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. Everyone. Leg back. Come in the plank pose. Inhale. Look front. Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskar. Exhale. Option. Upward dog. Inhale. Oh, look up. Downward dog. Exhale. Legs, arms, spine straight. Right leg in between arms. Inhale. Exhale. Hip down. Look front. Left leg front side. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward in the Padhastasana. Inhale. Both arms up. धीरे से. Exhale. Bend back. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Bend down. Third round. Bend legs. Come on. Right leg back. Left leg back. Come in the plank. Inhale. Look front. Chaturanga. Ashtanga Namaskar. Exhale. Upward dog. Inhale. Follow the breath. Downward dog. Exhale. Right leg in between arms. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. Do not need to be in a hurry. Slowly, gently. Left leg front side. Inhale. Exhale. Padhastasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Hands up. Exhale. Bend back. Little. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Bend down. Second last. Fourth round. Bend your legs. Right leg back. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. Look front. Leg back. Plank pose. Inhale. Ashtanga Namaskar or Chaturanga. Any one thing. Upward dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Right leg in between arms. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip down. धीरे धीरे प्यार से. Leg front. Inhale. Exhale. Bend down. Inhale. Both arms up. Exhale. Bend back. Inhale. Come back. Last round everyone. Come on. Bend forward. Bend your legs. Put your right leg back. Inhale. Exhale. Hip down. Leg back. Plank pose. Inhale. Look front. Exhale. Chaturanga. Ashtanga Namaskar. Option. Upward dog. inhale, downward dog, exhale, right leg in between arms, inhale, exhale, hip down, and now drop the knee and come in the meow meow pose, cat pose. Take a one deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and now relax, push your hip out, stretch your arms, stretch your spine and come in the extended child pose. 1, your knee to hip align, 2, 3, 4, stay कीजिए, 5, 6, and now relax. Everyone lying down with the chest. लेट जाइए. Just few seconds relaxation. और everyone lying down with the back. Supine position में आ जाइए. Lying down with the back. Spine position. So the routine we did last time, so we will repeat again. उसको भी दूसरी बार हम करेंगे, second time. Last time we did hands under your hip. So this time you will try the hands side of your hip. But still is a one reminder, like if someone is a very beginner, not enough strength in the core, so they can put hands under the hip. But if someone they feel that yes, they have enough stamina, enough control, so they can be try hands side of the hip. Okay, so even you put hands under the hip or even side of the hip. So this time you have to be little lift your head up, right? When you lift the head, one thing remember, if someone is already having the pain in the neck, shoulder or upper back, so they do not need to lift the head. उनको गर्दन उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है. They can be head down and then they can be practice. So you see, same practice but have some modifications, some options. So this all will be depends on you. Okay guys, so here we go. Little head up, depends on you. Legs up. And now once again, one by one leg. 1. Like this. हो जाइए शुरू. 2, 3, 4, 5, slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9, 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, legs को पूरा नीचे लेके जाइए. 6, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and relax everyone. Relax, totally lose your body. Slow and deep breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So everyone lying down with the chest. आ जाइए. So same thing we did last time. Again, in the bow pose we are giving that movement. So this is much more powerful movement, especially to your core side. It's very good to increase the strength in the core. So one more time, come on, last time. Bend your legs again, only 20 times, guys. Hold your ankle and remember when you are giving that movement, go front and back, तो उसमें आपको legs की position same रखनी है. You have to maintain that position. Inhale, exhale. Now up first, and now come on, pose shuru. Go front and back. You have to give movement only on your stomach. 4, 5, 6, 7, slow movement. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Come in the Magarasana. Relaxation for 1 minute here.